Zoney is a plugin I have created for Autodesk Navisworks that aids in the process of clash detection and organization. It is common for large construction projects to have hundreds of clashes spread out across many different parts of the site. Often, clients will prioritize solving clashes in certain areas over others due to construction priorities. Zoney assists clash organization by renaming clashes to include the zone they occur in. In this simple project, I have already hidden everything except the structural columns. To begin the process, you must first define the zone corners. You do this by hitting Select Grid Intersection button and choosing the top left corner grid intersection by selecting the nearest steel column, and select the bottom right corner grid intersection similarly. This process is repeated for every zone of the construction project. Then, you must name each zone by the corner points. Each corner point in the same zone should be named the exact same. Then, to check that the zones are set up correctly, you can press Draw Zones to see the zones visually to confirm. Zoney allows for the saving and opening of zone layouts as XML files that are easily edited in a text editor for more complex site layouts. Skipping ahead, let's load a more complex project up and load a completed zone layout from an XML file. Once we hit Draw Zones, all the defined zones are showed as colored rectangles. Once we have created and drawn the zones we wish to sort our clashes into, we can hit the Clashes tab to put our zones to work. Let's load the Clash Detective as well so we can see the changes happen. First, we choose which clash test we're going to work on. In this case, it'll be duct versus electrical, and select it in the Clash Detective window. Then, in the Zoney pane, we load the list of tests, choose the test, and load the results. This will fill the Zoney pane with the same clash names from the Clash Detective, as well as their center coordinates. Now, the magic happens when you hit Run Against Zones, where each clash will be sorted into one of the zones we've previously defined. Now that we've found which zones our clashes are located in, it's just a matter of hitting the button to rename them all, and voila, your clashes are labeled by zone.